welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please make sure you press the subscribe button down below and also the bell notification so you guys are notified every time that I post a new video. As you can tell by the title, this video is going to be a final review and probably like a 2-year update of my Smile Direct Club. Probably like a few people kind of asked me like how my teeth is and stuff like that, so I just decided to come on here real quick just to give you guys a quick little update. And yeah, so I have made a few videos. I think it was about 2. I'll link those down below. It was like an initial review and probably like a middle of me doing it, like 3-month update or something like that, but I'm gonna link it down below. And if I don't link it down below, I'll put it up here somewhere in the eye so you guys can press on it and check that out before you guys come here. And it'll give you all the information about how much it costs and stuff, and just all the information about it. The other video, the initial review. As and for the final review, I've had Smile Direct Club. I think it's going to be about 2. Yeah, I think it's about to hit 2 years since I've had it. I'm gonna show you guys a before. I'm gonna insert it right here, like a before of how my teeth was, and then basically a after of how my teeth is now. Many people are saying like, is it worth it? Okay, so Smile Direct Club is basically something, it's like a cheaper alternative of, what's that other teeth place called? Invisalign. It's a cheaper alternative of Invisalign or whatever, and it's Invisalign is really expensive, and it's basically just a cheaper version of it. And it costs like what, $1,800? $1,850. Okay, $1,850. And I mean, is it worth it? Okay, the way that my teeth was set up, because me and my sister did it, our teeth is very gappy, as you can see. Like it still is or whatever, but like before it was really worse. It was worse than what it is now. Like if you have teeth like ours, like very gappy and stuff, I wouldn't really suggest you do it. And I only say that because the gaps, they're gonna tell you that they can't close all your gaps. Like as you can see, like we have like triangles on the side. I have a message. We have triangles in the side of our teeth, and that's only because they couldn't close those 2 gaps, because they said that it would be dangerous for our bite and stuff like that. I guess the way that we bite it, so it'll probably like mess it up. So they said that they wouldn't touch it and stuff like that. Now, as in for braces, I don't know if they would probably say the same thing. Maybe maybe not, but they basically said that they couldn't do it. But I mean, like, as in for like the $1,800, I mean, it did a pretty good job. Like I'm kind of satisfied with it. It wasn't too much. It's not like I spent like a good $5,000 on it or whatever. So like I'm not really upset. But as in the size, when they said that they couldn't close it, because I've seen like other like, you know, on their Instagram, I've seen like other people and stuff like that, they have like teeth that are like kind of like spacey and stuff, and they still managed to get like all their teeth closed and stuff like that. So I don't know if it was because our teeth was like too messed up or some shit, or like that's just, I don't know if our teeth was just too messed up, that's why they couldn't really fix it, like close it all the way. But like all together, like it wasn't, I mean, I would just do more of a research. Like if you do like plan to get it and you have teeth similar to mine, I would say ask them before if they could close all your gaps before you go ahead or go over there. Or you can just go over there and get the free what? Get a free what? I know you get a free something. You go over there, you set an appointment, and they basically give you a free thing where they could I guess mold your teeth and stuff like that and show you how it's gonna be. I'm pretty sure that is free. So that's free. And as in for how it is now, you have to wear your retainers. For I mean, it's the same thing as if you did get braces or whatever. So it's kind of the same thing because your teeth is going to shift. Because I don't know if we have to wear it forever. I think you probably do got to wear it forever. But if... Huh?
Retainers are forever.
Yeah, so you basically got to wear that shit forever. I mean, I don't know how I feel about that because I'm not even gonna lie. I would spend like three days without wearing the retainer, and like I would have like, it wouldn't be a big gap, but you would see like the gaps coming back and stuff like that. So you have to wear your retainer. If you don't wear your retainers or whatever, it's basically gonna be you just wasting money. And that goes for people that do wear Invisalign or braces and stuff like that. So you have to wear your retainers or your teeth is going to shift back or whatever. And I mean, and the retainers we got for free, but the thing that I didn't like about my retainers was when I did eventually got it, it didn't fit my mouth. And not because that it was like a whole nother sets of teeth, but it just didn't fit my mouth. Like it would be, it's the shape of my teeth, but as in me putting it in and everything, I'm not sure if I missed a tray or something, but like when I was putting it in, it wouldn't go inside my mouth basically. And then I contacted them, and then I mean, like they were pretty like helpful and stuff like that, but they were asking for 2 months, so I eventually just said forget it, and I just had left the retainers there, and I just been wearing one of the trays, the last tray. Well, the second to last tray, because I kind of lost the last tray. So I'm wearing the second to last tray, and I've been wearing it for like I've been wearing it for a while now. I'm not sure that you're supposed to do that, to be honest. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to like wear the retainer because the retainer is more sturdy. It's the same version as the trays that they give you, the teeth trays, but the retainer is supposed to be like sturdier and last you longer. And I know they said that you have to change your retainers every year? Yeah, you have to change it like every year or whatever. So, but I know your first retainer, if you do this thing for them, if you sign this little document, it's gonna be for free. So it was for free, even though I still don't use it. As in for like the triangles in my teeth. Right now we're looking into getting, what are they called? Teeth overlay. They're not veneers, like, because you know veneers is basically them like drilling down your teeth. Yes, bonding. We're gonna get bonding. We're looking into that because it's like, I mean, it's pretty cheap, and we're basically just want to do it to like the sides. We would see like if we well, if they can do that. I'm pretty sure they can do it. But I remember my sister did go, and that they said that we had to get like our wisdom teeth pulled out and all this other shit before I guess they do like start the process of doing bonding, which I mean, I really don't want to take out my wisdom teeth because I mean, it doesn't hurt or anything, so I don't really think it's necessary to take out. But that was only one place, so I would say like we'll just check other places. But that's what we're gonna get. I'm personally going to get the whole like six. I don't really care about the bottom of my teeth. I would just get the top 6, like my spiral line, and get it like get another shape up and stuff like that, and just bond in the sides and the holes and stuff, because I don't really, the whole point of me getting the Smile Direct thing was to close like most of my gaps, but I mean ended up having like a whole side gap, which I found really like kind of annoying. But then again, I understand what they're saying, that they couldn't close it because I wouldn't want them to mess up my bite and I later on have like problems and stuff like that. So, but yeah, that's kind of about it. But if you guys are interested or have any more questions about Smile Direct Club, and like any questions, you could comment it down below and I'll just answer the questions and stuff. But if you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. That was stupid. Give it a thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and press that bell so you guys are notified every time that I post a new video, because I'm pretty sure it doesn't really tell you guys if I do post a video. But yeah, so press that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.